my YouTube family, what's up? Welcome to another video. Forgive us for taking so long to do our videos. We are consumed with time and our kids and family was here and all of that, but we give God thanks that we can share with you. Thank you for all those who have supported us thus far. This video is about interaction with our kids, all right? And you're going to see how we interact, small interactions. It's not no busy, a lot of talking, a lot of that video. I'm going to show you how we interact with our kids, and this is going to be featuring our two kids, all right? So stay tuned. Hope you like the video. Keep it locked. So it's mommy coming from work there. Baby's coming from work, so we're on our way home. Some of us kind of miserable in the car. Kahreem kind of crying. But we're trying to get home. So hi, kid.
Hi. I want to say a vlog.
Like really?
I never know.
So may I talk to myself, right? So.
Hi guys. Good morning, chicken nuggets. Share. What's up?
You want to do WhatsApp, Kaijah? Why?
Good morning, nuggets. Alright, I'm gonna pay the thing.
Alright guys, so we're on our way home. So yeah. So guys, we picked up mama from Kaijah from work, and we are on our way home. But she's in there. She's at the McDonald's trying to get some stuff for Kaijah. Some McDonald's chicken nuggets. She loves chicken nuggets and like that, so you'll see her when she gets into the car, but we're right here waiting patiently for her. Kahreem is around the back, very quiet. I think he's sleeping. Hey Kahreem, what happened to you? You soon go home. You soon go home. He's around the back there playing with the seatbelt. He's giving another trouble around here, so yeah. Kaijah, what's up? Mommy gonna get fries for you. Mommy gonna get McDonald's for you. You want McDonald's? Say hello, everybody. Kaijah, why are you so serious? Guys, she loves McDonald's. Her mother going to get some McDonald's for her. So, that's, she loves McDonald's, the nuggets, rather. Say hi, Kaijah. Say hello, everybody. How are you doing? Mommy's getting me McDonald's. Yeah. So guys, you see she's coming on, that's my boy over that side. My boy over that side. You can see him facing the mirror right there. In the mirror right there. You can see me in the mirror a little bit. There's two of them behind there. So yes guys, so this is interactions with our kids, and you will see a little bit more about my daughter. The school is helping her and she's improving a lot, so yeah, you guys just keep praying for her as she continues to improve. It breaks a father's heart to see your daughter going through this, but she's getting better. You wish that she could interact more with you like other kids, but God knows best, and anything God done is well done. God does is well done, and we thank God for the opportunity to be her father and her mother, her parents. Hey Kaijah, say see you. Say guys, see you guys.
See you guys.
I love you, brother. Yeah, say, kiss brother again. Come kiss brother again. Say I love you, brother.
I love you, brother.
Kaijah, say hello. Say I love you, brother. Tell brother you love you. Your name? What's your name? Say Kaijah.
Say Kaijah.
So my name is Kaijah.
My name is Kaijah.
And his name is Kahreem. Say touch Kahreem. Touch Kahreem. Right, Kai? Say hello. Say hi. Say hello. Oh my God. Say hello, Kaijah.
Hello, Kaijah.
Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Look in the camera. Say hello, everybody. Hey, Kahreem, what's up? What's up? You alright? Hey, man, what's up? What's up? You good? What are you playing with right there? Let me see the guitar. Let me see the guitar. That's Kahreem. Kahreem, look at that. What's up? How are you doing? All right. Kaijah. Kaijah. What's up?
Hey,
Hey, Kahreem. Hey, Kaijah, what's up? How are you doing? You all right? Are you okay? Say hello. Say hello, Kaijah. So, guys, this is my daughter. She's sweet, right? Yeah. Yeah. Kaijah, say hi. Say hi. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Say good night. I'm going to bed now. Say I'm going to bed. Say, all right, guys. She's not in the talking right now. She's going to bed right now. All right. So she's coming back. So Kaijah, I'm gonna put you to bed, right? Kahreem is over the other side. He's watching his thing over there. Yes, so guys, it is night. My daughter is off to bed. And then my son is here with me. Kahreem, come here, say hi. See me again. Say hi, man. What's up? Yeah, he's playing around, you know. If we just wanted to show you a little interaction with our kids, I trust and hope that you like the little short video just to show you how is it interacting with our kids, you know. It's not easy, especially with our daughter, but she's coming on, yeah. And my son is getting big and growing up, and we give God thanks for the both of them. They are bundles of joy, yeah. And we just trust and hope that you enjoy the video. Always remember to like, subscribe, share, leave your comment, you know, please. Only thing is that, you know, we don't want you don't want to watch the videos, but like the videos and leave your comment to the videos. All right. This was Kai and Kaijah and Kahreem's showcase. All right, bless upon yourself. Thanks for the support and forgive us. We're trying to do videos, you know, but it's very hard, especially with a daughter, and you know, sometimes they consume over time. All right, bless upon yourself. A video is coming very, very soon. They're not going to take long to get another video. All right, bless upon yourself. Kahreem, say bye bye. Kahreem, say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Wave your hand. Come. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye.